Welcome back. Cases of rape on minors are on rise in the state. Goa police arrested Sharat Chandradal, accused of raping a 12-year-old minor. The victim girl and the accused were sent for medical examination at GMC.
Sharat Chandradal has been arrested by Goa police in the rape case. He has been booked for raping a 12-year-old girl. Dal is a resident of Majorda and native of Orissa. He is a plumber by profession. Goa police have registered a case under Section 376 of IPC and Section 8 of Goa Children Act. A reporter from Margao, for Prudent.
The Fomento Green project at Sonsodo Margao will commence by 15 December. Project has been complete and is ready for commissioning. The plant at Sonsodo will solve garbage problem in South Goa.
Margao Chairperson Arthur De Silva, Chief Officer Srinath Kotwale, CEO of Fomento Green Sridhar Kamath and others visited the Sonsodo project at Margao. Sashtikas will soon have respite from garbage menace.
The total build-up is 5,000 square meter build-up. And it is practical ready. After the Pausa lagun, Monsoona lagun, Rastaja mache problem gaun, mache the gaadi would turba problem rata. Another maximum 15 days to 20 days. And before December 15 now, practically was started the plan and kind of overall problems all that.
Locals plying along Sonsodo area were facing health hazard and traffic problems caused due to Sonsodo garbage. In addition to that, the mud sliding down towards the road during rain made it difficult and unsafe for the commuters to ply. But with the project operations expected to begin sooner, the problem seems getting resolved.
Actually, the fire waste is direct to the separate trial so directly to commissioning. So trial as far as machinery trial.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
SMRC Hospital in Vasco now has a cardiac care unit, an extension of dialysis unit. The facility was commissioned at the hands of Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. Parsekar informed that the postgraduate students in medicine will be stationed at primary health centers and rural government hospitals under internship.
The cardiac care unit, an extension of dialysis unit at SMRC Hospital in Vasco, was inaugurated on Tuesday. Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida, President of SMRC Dattaraj Salgaonkar, Dr. Shekhar Salkar and others were present.
बदललेल्या लाईफस्टाईलीमुळे बदललेल्या फूड हॅबिट्सामुळे हांगा कार्डियक पेशंट्स वाडटात, हांगा कॅन्सर पेशंट्स वाडटात, हांगा डायबिटीक पेशंट वाडटात आणि त्यामुळे ह्या तिन्ही क्षेत्रातल्या सुपर स्पेशालिटीज गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज नासल्यार प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलांनी निर्माण जावप आवश्यक आसा. ज्यो गोष्टी प्रायव्हेट गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन ना त्यो प्रायव्हेटान करच्यो अशें सरकाराक आमकां दिसता. आमी तांकां सपोर्टूय करतात ह्या बाबतींत.
Parsekar congratulated SMRC Hospital for starting super speciality services which are currently not available in state government hospitals.
पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट्स आसात जे दर वर्सा आमी 19 पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट्स तयार करतात. ह्या 19 लोकांक PHCs आणि CHCs धाडप एका वर्सा खातीर, जेतूनसून PHCs आणि CHCs जे आमकां बरी मॅन पॉवर ना म्हणून प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते सव जातले. तांकांय 1 वर्साचो गांवांतलो एक्सपोजर मेळटलो.
The Health Minister has also assured to improve facilities at Chikli Hospital on priority. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.